Real police body cam ahead. Shared for educational and documentary use under fair use.
It all starts when an officer spots a suspicious white stain on the back of a car. Thinking it might be cocaine, police decide not to take chances and hit the lights. The driver doesn't stop right away, leading to a short but tense pursuit through local streets. After finally pulling over, officers approach carefully and take the driver out of the car. They search and question him on the side of the road, focusing on the mysterious white substance. A field test is done right there, and the result? Negative for drugs. Turns out it was just dried bird poop stuck to the trunk. The driver gets let go without charges, but not before the encounter turns his day upside down. Another reminder, sometimes things aren't what they seem at first glance.
Turn around and face me. All right, you turned off on me earlier on Chapel's Highway, okay? I know that was you.
What?
Okay, you passed me going 78 miles an hour.
I don't think that was me. Sir.
That was you, okay? You're kind of pissing me off right now because you know what you're doing. You're a grown man. You're on the main highway coming in Saluda County from Newberry.
I'm not from Newberry. I'm coming from Clinton.
You're almost about to go to jail, okay?
Oh, I called a lady on the phone.
It doesn't matter. I don't care. We've been riding for 10 minutes now.
Sir, my mama told me not to pull over.
No, you turned off on me. You were going almost 80 miles an hour down the road in a silver Dodge Charger. That was you.
Okay.
You saw me turn around on you, then you dipped off on me.
No, I turned like I was supposed to.
Turn where?
On the road.
So you were going 78 miles an hour?
No.
Yeah, you were. Go ahead and turn around for me. Turn around for me. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
You got his ID and everything?
I'm about to get it. So if you don't know where you are, or you're on a back road and you turn off on me on a road, that doesn't make any sense to me. So I don't believe anything you're telling me right now, so you're going to jail. Okay?
I'm going to jail
Yep.
for what?
You're going to jail for speeding. And for failure to stop for blue lights at this point.
Sir, I called a...
That doesn't matter. That doesn't matter. Lean up against the vehicle.
No, I mean, you're going to be no safer than you ever will be riding with a police officer, and you have one right behind you.
Okay. Have a seat.
Can I call my mom?
No, you can't call anybody until you get to the jail. Have a seat.
All right, we'll do it now on the truck, right?
All the way in.
I'm all the way
Put your knee in.
I can't.
Yeah, you can. Lift it up.
Seven thousand four.
67 one time.
Come on.
Yeah, he dipped off on me earlier.
I was going to stop. I thought he was going to go around me right here.
Huh?
I said I thought he was going to run into front of my car.
Yeah, he's trying to go around. Is that what you said?
I thought he was going to.
Yeah, he dipped off on me on Chapel's Highway. I mean, there wasn't no other silver Dodge Charger.
Yeah.
And he was going 80. I have no idea. God. Ugh.
Yeah, he tried
Hey.
to what?
I was just going to see if y'all wanted to, and then we'll just get out of the road and just open the road back up.
I'm not supposed to drive his car.
Yeah, we're fine. We'll be all right.
Yeah, we'll be fine.
20 clear, copy deal.
Go ahead.
Before it comes back to you, sorry, work 1928 Drayton Street.
Timber. Yeah, he thinks it matters if he calls. It doesn't matter.
We said it on the back road. He was on a South Carolina highway.
Oh, he threw something out somewhere.
Oh, it's in here. Not in the box.
I did get keys.
There's keys right there. Yeah, I think so. You gotta pull it out. Yeah, that'll work.
Oh, you got it?
That's all that's in there. He threw something out. He had to have. Well, he did dip off on me, and I shot back up Chapel's, but yeah, I think he's. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
What the fuck is that? Not even dry. So we gotta test it and see.
Yeah.
Tell me.
What's on the
I'll figure out what this shit is.
On the hood?
Yeah.
What if you did that, try to throw it in front to avoid you from seeing it?
That looks smart. It looks like it's been wiped through one time. Tried to wipe it off.
Yeah, maybe. Almost like a bunch of bird poop.
Is it turning pink?
Did it? You're kidding me.
Turn pink, man.
What the hell?
Some cocaine, ain't it?
Like I said, you might have tried to throw it in front to poop.
Like, try to wipe it off. Go ask it what it is.
That's pretty fucking crazy.
So how you gonna play this?
I don't know. I'm about to call Dave and see. What's the white stuff on the front of your hood, man?
Bird shit.
Bird shit?
Yeah.
That ain't bird shit.
I promise you that's bird doo-doo.
Promise you it's not, though.
I swear to God that's bird doo-doo.
Well, I swear to God it's not, because I just tested it and that turned pink.
But you can see it on the windshield.
That's not bird poop.
I swear to God that's bird doo-doo.
That's not bird poop.
I swear to
That's a
God.
lot of bird. That's a lot of bird shit, man.
I tried to clean it last night at the gas station. You can.
I can still wipe it off.
It's bird doo-doo.
Okay.
Like,
All right. Okay. All right.
what's it? What?
I don't. It's just unless the bird inhaled cocaine, then. Hey. Okay. This Dodge Charger, it dipped off on me on Chapels Highway when I was coming down. It was going like 80, so I turned back around, shot, I guess, by it. He must have pulled off on it. Look at it turned pink. All that shit on the front of his car.
Yeah. They say it's bird doo-doo.
He's saying it's bird shit, but he's fucking full of
Yes,
shit.
man. As pink as that is.
Yeah. That's the first for me.
We about to make some like the bird doo-doo case law or something.
Who's looking in the trunk with me?
I haven't even looked in the trunk yet. Yeah, let's take a peep in there. Yeah. You never know.
Oh, we got a Yeti. Hey, check that out. A cigar box? Oh, you know, okay.
That's some expensive stuff too, man.
It is?
Yeah.
Well, he's dealing dope, so it looks like cocaine. No,
It looks like he plays ball for Georgia Southern or something.
They got a thing for like quarterback scholarships.
Yeah, he's about to be a shit out of luck. And car 8, car 20, I sent those pictures.
Seen it all?
Yeah, I know. Take some pictures real quick before I go to scraping it all up as much as I can. The judge gonna get a trip out of this. He's like, what? Yeah, if anything, it'll be like a 1 in 1,000 case for these things to be faulty, but I don't think they just turn pink
I know.
out of nowhere.
I just don't.
Dave's looking at the pictures, he's coming back, and we're gonna figure out what to do with it.
Like you think they make it like, oh, bird poop does not test positive for cocaine. Like,
That'd be some bullshit. We'll have to do a test, might have to get like 1,000 birds and make them all take a
like I
shit.
said, it looks like we're about to develop a new case law.
That's, yeah. we're gonna be on the next legal update.
Yeah.
now.
Yeah, I'm gonna scrape it up with this property chip thing to the best of my ability.
You can like fold it up the inside of
I'm gonna have to put it in this little evidence bag. I'm gonna take it back and put it in a plastic bag.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm gonna put it in a heat sealed pouch,
Yeah.
and then put it into a biscuit.
Yeah, that piece of paper to fold it up in there better.
Yes, sir.
I don't imagine you're gonna be able to get much.
It is very weird. I took a picture of the field test kit. It did. I mean, it's pink as could be. It's pink as could be. I mean, it's freaking me out. Is what it's, because I stuck my finger in it. Yeah, it's like, I think he said he tried to wipe it up last night, but I think they might have had something going on last night or wherever he's from, and deal gone wrong, or hell, he might not even know about it. Yeah, I know, it's weird. Yeah, I'd have been done, washed it off. And you don't just randomly ride behind a Coke dealer coming down the road, so. I mean, the only thing I'm gonna try and scoop it up into a bag, and I mean, I'm just gonna charge him with a failure to stop for blue lights. I'm just gonna add in the fact that he has drug residue on the front of his vehicle. See, he admitted to